I got the new GoPro 13. I want something small, something compact, and that's why I stick with these action cameras. So I got the new GoPro 13. I'm super stoked about it. However, in the past, GoPro, it's like a love-hate relationship, sort of like with Walmart. You sort of like Walmart, but then you go and you sort of hate it. GoPro, it's similar to that. I don't know. I'm kind of excited about this one because it has a heatsink, and hopefully cameras don't shut off on me, because that happens so much when I'm trying to vlog. Turning it on, turning it off, turning it on, turning it off. And then eventually, like, it overheats, and then I have to take the media mod apart, take the battery out, put it back in, and turn it back on, and it really messes up the flow. I'm hoping with this GoPro 13, with that heatsink, that maybe I'll be able to get a little bit more video. I also bought Insta360 Ace Pro. I'm gonna do some comparisons sooner than later, but right now, I got this and it just arrived, so why not open it up? I mean, obviously I got a lot to open. However, this is going to be the first. I guess I should make some room, huh? Oh, God. I got boxes all around me. I'll get into all of that stuff later. This GoPro 13 just came out. It's brand new. I pre-ordered it and I got it. I paid for this, so this is definitely not a sponsorship. Not that I would have a sponsorship right now with GoPro, because I don't even have 1,000 subscribers yet. Why would they want to work with me? But I bet you will. We'll find out. It looks like a shoebox the way they wrap this. The unboxing. All right. What I'm gonna do, so obviously I'm not polished. I'm not a polished YouTuber. I'm just real. Okay, so this is how we're gonna play it. This is how we're gonna do it. I hope you enjoy the rest of this review. I'm gonna open this up and we're gonna get started, okay? And before we get started, I'm not gonna say I'm like a tech reviewer. I'm not going to go over all the stats and statistics. I just want to see how it works in the field. That's what I'm talking about. I want to see what I can do in the field with it, so it's more or less like I'm a layman when it comes to cameras and stuff like that. However, I understand specs, I understand frame rates, I understand the camera. However, so many of you probably don't care about that. They just want to see what it looks like. There's so many other YouTubers out there that are going to go over the specs, and they're going to go over all the different features and stuff like that. I just want it to work, and I want to shoot, and I want it to look good. And that's what most people want, right? So, man, most people are like, what the heck's that mean? Is that good? Does it do what I need it to do? Most cameras will. Like Casey Neistat said.
Hardware, as in what cameras I use. I have a simple rule for when it comes to hardware, and that is always use the very best camera you have at your disposal.
Shoot with the best camera you have. I like the GoPros. They're small, they're compact, they do exactly what I need them to do. So that's why we use them. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. I'm going to turn this camera off and I'm going to switch to a different angle. I got the GoPro with the macro lens because I feel like if I'm going to shoot vlogs on this, this is what I want. I want the macro lens. So let's open this box up. All right. Magnetic latch. I bought the dual battery charger. It comes with 2 batteries plus the battery that comes with the camera. So I have some extra stuff. And then here is the macro lens. So I'm really interested in seeing how this performs. And then we got the GoPro. Okay, so it comes in a pretty fairly decent packaging. It's a little tore up. That's okay. I'm gonna rip it up anyway. GoPro 13, the heatsink. There's a lot of cool features about this. I guess I'll go into those things later on in another video, but this is pretty much just an unboxing. This is what it came with. This is the box. It's nothing special. It's not like I'm a GoPro representative or associate, so they got like really cool boxes. I just get like a freaking shoe box with gift wrapping paper that says GoPro on it that was kind of torn. So that just shows you where I'm at in the YouTube game as far as tech. But this is what we all like about GoPro. At least I do. Maybe I'm just weird. Subscribe. Got GoPro stickers. Have product questions. Comes with a helmet mount. See, it's got a nice little arch to it. You have your USB-C cable. I'm a great tech reviewer. Battery. Let's see what's going on with this battery. Can't even... It is different. Holy cow. Feels good. GoPro. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. You should be updating your camera. Another mount. I have like a million of these things. Or you know what? I'm not even going to even try and get that out. I'll be sitting here forever trying. I might as well just edit it and act like I know what I'm doing, how to take this out. Okay, we'll get that out. You know what? Here we go. I'm gonna get it out. I'm determined now. All right, got it. Should I be all graceful and elegant like a lot of those YouTubers are? They're like, shoop. Nah, man. Just open this sucker up. Ready? Oh, yeah. Wow. All right, so first impression. It feels like a good quality camera. It feels like a GoPro, but it far better like feeling than the 12 or the 10. I don't know. It looks better. It does. It looks better. These are cool. Although, you know what? These things feel like plastic. They are plastic. GoPro. What the heck? Hold on. All right. Look at this. We're going to do this. One thing I'm not impressed about right now. Okay, what is this? This is the GoPro 9, right? Look at this. Are these plastic too? They feel like metal. Maybe they are plastic. Hold on. This is a GoPro 8. Yeah, man. Maybe they are plastic. Why does this plastic feel cheaper? I feel like I could break these off. Okay, anyway. Ah, if you could smell that. It smells new. Alright, so that's the unboxing of the GoPro Hero 13 Black. Yeah. I'm gonna put it to use. Should we open up the batteries? Alright, so technically I'm never really this hard on my equipment. I'm not one of those... I can be pretty hard on my equipment. I want to use it. And GoPro is meant to take a beating. That's why I use GoPro. Because it takes a beating from me. Alright, so this is the dual battery charger. Comes with all this stuff, how to use it. Here's another battery. So if you're a subscriber to GoPro, you get a pretty decent discount considering how much everything costs. So I got a pretty good discount on all of these things. Yeah, they fit in snug. What? It's got juice in it. Got another cool cable. Got so many of these. All right, cool. This is the magnetic latch mount. Oh my God. Impatient much? Oh, that's how you do it. Okay. Let's see. Me and these freaking screws, man. It's like a never-ending battle trying to get these things out. Let's see. And there is nothing left in that. Now this feels solid. I'm happy with this. But what is this? Why is this out? Why is that on there? Okay. So let's try this. Ready? Okay. That feels, wow. That's super secure. That was easy to take off, but super secure. And they say you could do it either way, one or two. So I have another one of these on the way. I like this. This is metal. So these here are plastic. I'd be afraid. I mean, I don't know. I'm sure that they've tested these through some crazy conditions, but just the plastic just freaks me out. But this is metal. You can feel that. Like these little pieces here on the sides that you press in, those feel like, yeah, those feel like plastic. But this right here, this part here, that's definitely metal. That's cool. I like that. And that's easy to take off and on. Okay. I'm happy. I'm happy with this. You can hear it. That's metal. That's definitely metal. That works. And then here's the micro lens mod. Let me get an angle. Let me get an angle here. I should have been doing this the whole entire time. Okay, here we go. Oh, whoa, that piece stuck in there. That's not cool. That's not how it's supposed to go. Oh, wow. And then it's got a nice little polishing cloth. Where do I put this? What do I do with this? Do I just keep it in my pocket? Like, what do I do with this, GoPro? Where am I going to put this? Like, I need this. That would be cool because it, you know, cleans the lens and everything. That's cool. But where am I going to put that? Okay, so let's do it this way because this is how it's supposed to come. All right, so this is the GoPro, right? And then you're supposed to open it up. How the heck you get this thing out, man? How do you get this out? Do I need instructions for this, or do I just push it out? Oh my God. All right, so I'm gonna sit here for a few minutes and try and figure out how to get this off. Let's see. Okay, so that's gonna cover the lens. That's what I'm worried about. How do you... Oh, I got an idea. All right, so let's see. Okay, so we're gonna twist this off. That's off. Now what they say is, see that little blue circle right there? It has to match with that little blue circle. Right? So we're gonna match it. And we're gonna put it on. Oh, that's how you do it. Okay. Kudos. That looks cool, man. Let's see. You know what? Let's try it with the media mod. Let's see if the media mod works with it. Okay. The media mod. Let's slide it in. Oh, yeah. There you go. That's a little pretty cool setup. Plus this. And the Volta. That's a pretty cool little vlog setup. I'm kind of stoked about this. I can't wait to take this out in the field and see what it's like. And then, let's see if it comes off. Yeah. GoPro, I like your style. That actually is pretty cool. So let's try it again. And that's how you put it on. Okay. But what am I supposed to do with this? Where's this supposed to go? I like that. I like that. Can you see this? Right? And then if anything, you could just leave that on there when you're not using it. That's pretty smart, GoPro. I'm liking that. Cool. Alright, so overall, I think I'm kind of happy with this, man. The only thing I gotta do is take it in the field and see how long it lasts and like how it is vlogging. We're gonna take it out in the field, we're gonna try it, we're gonna play with it, we're gonna see how it is as a vlog camera. Because that's what I'm going to use this camera for overall. I also have some Insta360 Ace Pros that I purchased too, so I'm going to try those out. I'm going to figure out what's going to be the best vlog camera for me. Like, I have a Canon 70D set up, and like, I would love to use that as my vlog camera. I don't know, it's just clunky, it's just big. I want something small, something compact, something smaller. And that's why I stick with these action cameras, even though they're supposed to be action cameras and that's what they're there for. But I mean, they got creator kits and stuff like that. They got media mods that go with them and stuff like that. Like, of course, I'm going to start using these as vlogs. Especially if that heat shield right there is supposed to help with the overheating issue that GoPro has been having for, what, over a decade? You know, if this works out, this is great, man. I can't wait to get this out in the field, and the next video, I guess I'll do something like that. If you like this unboxing video, this is something that I'm doing. It's not necessarily my day-to-day type thing. I like unboxing things, like, I don't know. Let me know. I'll do more of them. GoPro Hero 13, brand new. It's got the macro lens. I haven't been on YouTube for at least a little bit more than a year. There's some reasons why I haven't been on YouTube. I figured, let me get back into vlogging, let me get back on YouTube, let me make something happen, and I'm going to go for it. I'm going to shoot for it. I'm going to try and make the best of my channel. It's up to me to help you make that decision. It's not for me to tell you to make that decision, if you know what I mean. But yeah, new vlogs coming, new videos coming. I'm going to make sure of it. But I wanted to get this out as soon as possible because why? Because it's a new product that just came out and I didn't know how to start vlogging again just right off rip. So I figured, let me do an unboxing, let me start getting comfortable doing this. Oh my god. Oh, the studio is a mess. It's my fault though. But like, look at all this stuff that I have. I have a lot of unboxing to do here. I just have to find the time. I've been super busy and there's been a lot of things. But we're gonna get to it. You and me. Together. Alright. I'm done.